Hello everyone and welcome back to Crochet Rocks. I'm going to show you a cute little way to join your squares. I'm going to try and do as many of these little tips as I can. So I've started this one off because starting this is the most difficult part, but it's exactly the same going into that one as it is all of the subsequent ones along. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and hopefully you can see. Now we're just going to, as you're looking at your project from the front, you can see two sides to each of the edges, and I'm going to go into the back loops only. So I'm going to go into this one's back loop, so it's just the back loop of that stitch, and then into this one the back loop of that stitch. So I've got two loops on my hook which are just those two back loops and the loop on my hook from the pink that I'm using, and that's just so that you can see what I'm doing. And the angle that I'm having to work at makes it extremely difficult to go through them while they're still there. So I'm going to have to do that again. It's a bit difficult while I'm trying to show you. And don't worry if it's making those loops a little bit elongated for now. That will even out. So there we go. We've done another one. I'll have to unzoom. It's just a bit difficult on here to show you. So you don't take the hook with you. If it helps just to hold on to it, put your finger on that loop. So into this side first and then into this side, just through the back loop. I think I might have gone through two there. Just the back loop. Hold on to my yarn, into the back loop, and then yarn over and pull through all of them. And again to the next one, into the back loop only, and the next one here, the back loop only. Now I've got them all on the hook, yarn over and pull through all of them. And then we're going to do it into the next one. I'll do a few more and then I'll show you what it looks like. It's just the back loop. It's a little tricky because I'm trying to show you, so I can't hold it how I normally would. So into two back loops, yarn over and pull through all of them. And again, I'm going into this one. I don't know if I've split that one, so do it again. And into that back loop there, all on the hook and through all three. So that's the two blue ones. So if I stop now and just end off there, you can see that you've got the front loop showing as a, I'll zoom and you can see it easier. If I can get hold of my zoom, that is. There we are. So you've got this little line here is the front loop of the stitch, and you've got the same on this side, and then you've got like a little kind of chain going along, joining them together. And if you carry on, that looks really effective. So I'm going to carry on for a little way. And I've now zoomed in, so I'll try and keep it that way. But if I deviate too much, then I will unzoom. It's just difficult to hold it still. So then through all of those, sometimes the angle gets a little bit tricky. Just move it. And then into the next back loop. And into the next back loop this side. And then yarn over and through them all, and then into the next back loop and the next back loop this side, and then through them. See, it wanted to come through. Just hold it if you have to, but yeah, it looks kind of nice, don't you think? Looks like a little zip going all the way up. And once you get, see, these ones here are much more even because I was getting used to it. But this one here is where I was trying to show you and it was moving around. But you do get nice and even. So if that was in the same colour, it would have a completely different look to it. But excuse me. But you could use just any of the colours from your project. And I think it looks lovely. I really like that join. So I'm going to make a new playlist with edges and joins. And so feel free to check them out. I did another zigzag one earlier. But I really like that. That's kind of, that's cool. I like that one a lot. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and you'll be informed when there's new videos. There's a lot of videos at the moment, so please check them out. And if you could like and share them, that would really help me. I'd appreciate it, trying to grow my channel. So do check them out, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye for now.